In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom personal injury case pipeline in GoHighLevel. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account, so we're working inside the correct location. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click Opportunities. This is where all of your deals and case progress will live. At the top of that page, select Pipelines. Pipelines are your visual board to track every personal injury case from first contact all the way to resolution. Next, click Create Pipeline. Give your pipeline a clear, descriptive name so your whole team knows exactly what it's for. A simple example is PI Case Lifecycle. Naming conventions matter because they keep reporting clean and make it easy to train new staff. Now let's edit the stages to match a typical personal injury workflow. Add your first stage as new lead. This is where fresh inquiries land before they're qualified. The second stage is under medical review, which helps you track intake details and initial medical assessments. For the third stage, create retainer sent to reflect that you've sent representation documents and are awaiting confirmation. The fourth stage is medical treatment ongoing, capturing the period when clients are actively treating and you're gathering records. For the fifth stage, add demand letter sent, used after treatment when you've compiled the case value and sent a demand. The sixth stage is litigation or discovery, for matters that proceed beyond negotiation into formal legal processes. The seventh stage is case settled or won, where successful outcomes are recorded. Finally, add case closed or lost as the eighth stage, so you can close the loop on matters that don't proceed or don't result in recovery. With the structure in place, let's make the board easy to scan by adding colors to each stage. Click the small colored dot next to a stage name to open the color picker. Set New Lead to blue to indicate a fresh start. Under Medical Review works well in yellow, signaling assessment. Choose orange for retainer. Sent to highlight pending action. Use purple for medical treatment. Ongoing to denote an in-progress phase. Pick dark orange for demand letter. Sent to show escalation. Set litigation to red to indicate high priority and complexity. Mark case. Settled or won in green to celebrate success. Finally, use gray for case closed or lost to clearly mark completion without a win. When everything looks right, click Create to save your new pipeline. You now have a clean, consistent workflow your team can follow, with clear visibility into every personal injury case from intake to outcome.